My name is Bob Hollister. I'm the Cochise County Radio Amateur Civil Emergency Services Officer for Cochise County. We're out here today in Paradise, but I want to talk to you a little bit about what the RACES organization is and what we do. You've already seen the side of the truck that identifies this as the Cochise County Mobile Communications Unit. It is a unit that we use to deploy during emergencies to provide extra communications whenever they need it during certain incidents. For example, we provide a lot of support to search and rescue out in the county area, but we can also respond to hazmat and other types of emergencies that require additional communication support. Today, what you're seeing right in front of you is a setup that we're doing some digital communications. My friend Dave and Bruce right here are operating with using digital to communicate around the country, and right now we've got several contacts from just about all the states that are out there. Inside the trucks we have another suite of communications gear that provides mostly our public safety communications. This is all amateur that we have out here today. But inside we do have the VHF, UHF public safety communications we need to support the Sheriff's Department, the Highway Patrol, etc. Okay, let's go inside the truck, give you a quick look, see what we have. This is the area that we have for our public safety communications. These are both VHF public safety radios. We also are, at the moment, are also connected to the internet through our satellite. That's one capability that comes in really handy, especially when we get out in the areas where we may not be able to have reliable communications directed to the public safety infrastructure. That allows us to send emails as needed over the internet back to dispatch or anyone else that we need to. One example is when we sent some pictures from a tanker incident where we sent them back to Phoenix so that they could look at that when they sent their hazmat team down to work on that particular problem. Over in this corner I've got two more operators, Aaron and Charles. Say good morning, guys. Over here we're working again on some amateur frequencies, but again trying to reach out and see how many of the states that we can contact while we're out here on this particular deployment. It does provide a good backup occasionally because our infrastructure sometimes is a little bit broader than the public safety because of linked repeaters that we use. This particular one on HF uses some fairly large antennas that we have installed outside. But we have that, and of course back here we have a couple more, a VHF and our DPS UHF radio for working with the Department of Public Safety here in Arizona.